Is system uptime, regulatory compliance, and efficient access to technical support essential for your process? What if there was a way to do all that and save time and money while reducing risk, avoiding any unplanned events and budgetary expenses? Total, Advanced, and Essential. All three of these new service plans are a part of a high-class service and support package for your manufacturing assets. This new family of services offers key features such as annual preventative maintenance visits, spare parts advisory services, and access to technical support. As part of our innovative asset tagging solutions, each system is equipped with a unique QR code that, when scanned, provides a simple and quick way for contacting technical service. Smart glasses are used for remote assistance, ensuring live and efficient support. This support includes equipment setup, emergency guidance, and troubleshooting. Through remote connection, our experts take control of your system, resolving incidents instantaneously. These three customer focus plans are strategically designed with your expectations and budgetary needs.